Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Biology in Simple Way. Today we are going to see about Unit 6 Reproduction. In reproduction we have several chapters about which we will see detailedly later. Now we are going to see about a general introduction about reproduction. So before going into reproduction, we will know what is biology. Biology is a story which gives us details about the lives in Earth. So it can be any form of life. It can be a human life, it can be a plant life, it can be animal life, any forms of life. So have you ever imagined that individual organisms are dying now and then? We all have seen. Okay. So individual organism is now dying now and then, but the species is surviving or lives for many million years. You know why, how it is happening and what is the reason behind this? Yes, the reason behind this is reproduction. What is reproduction? Reproduction is actually a process. This process is very important process in the life forms, and this reproduction gives rise to progeny. Each and every living organism leaves their progeny. What is this progeny? Progeny is nothing but offspring. What is an offspring? Offspring is nothing but young ones. What are young ones? Young ones are nothing but babies. So every living organism leaves their babies. Only because of this, the species is surviving for many million years. Unless or otherwise, there is a natural extinction. Okay? Natural extinction or anthropogenic extinction, the species will not extinct. It will continue. It will continue to live for many years. So what is this extinction? What is the meaning of the word extinction? Death of all members of that species is known as extinction. What is natural extinction? If the extinction occurs naturally, like climatic change or diseases, due to diseases, or because of loss of habitat. So because of these things, if the extinction happens, we categorize them under natural extinction. What is anthropogenic extinction? Because of the human activities extinction occurs, then we call them as anthropogenic extinction. Example is hunting, as well as deforestation comes under this anthropogenic. So only because of this the species extincts, otherwise the species continues to live for many years because of this process called reproduction. In this case of reproduction, we have two modes of reproduction. One is sexual reproduction, the other one is asexual reproduction. This sexual reproduction, no gametes are involved, so no fusion takes place. Okay? So but this asexual reproduction is not like that. Gametes are involved, fusion takes place. This sexual reproduction, we need a male gamete as well as a female gamete. So fusion between these two gametes will give rise to a progeny. Okay? An important feature in the sexual reproduction is the progeny we get from a sexual reproduction is always a new variant. What is this new variant? This male gamete is one parent, female gamete is another parent. They both fuse together and gives a progeny. This progeny will have the characters of both the male as well as the female together. So it is a new variant. This new variant is always successful. This new variant survival rate will be higher than the normal one. But in case of asexual reproduction, you will get the progeny, you will get the daughter cells, which will be exactly like the parent. So there is no new variant coming from this asexual reproduction. About this asexual reproduction, we will see later. Now we will see an example for this sexual reproduction. Male gamete A, female gamete B fuses together to form AB. This is generation 1. Next AB is generation 2. AB is fusing again with the second parent, that is CD, and gives ABCD. This is the generation 3. Now ABCD is combining with EFGH and giving A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. This is generation 4. Now, the individual organism may die. That is the organism contributing this male gamete, organism contributing this female gamete may die, but their progeny is living. This progeny is combining with this. After a few years, this progeny and this one may die, but they have given another progeny. This will be living. Okay? This one or the other day, after a few years, this may die, but they both combine and form another progeny. Generation 4 is continuing. So even though the individual organism is dying now and then, the species is surviving for many million years. Generation will be going on like this. Generation 5, generation 6, 7, 8, millions of years it will go. Okay? So if you consider that, if you think that if there is no reproduction at all, reproduction process is not there in this earth, what will happen? The population will diminish and there will not be any living forms in this earth. Only the non-living things like water, sand, rock, everything will be there in the earth, and no life forms will be, living organisms will be present in the earth. So reproduction is very important process in the life of living organisms. We'll see detailedly about reproduction in the forthcoming videos. Now this is about the general introduction of reproduction. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and please click the bell icon. Thank you.